Hello, I'm Sunny. The word of today is 把. In this video, I will teach you how to pronounce it, how to write it, and how to use it. First, let's read together. 我们一起读把波波together 把 Very good. Now let's write it. 我們一起寫橫豎鈎提 So pay attention T from down to up. T 橫折豎橫豎彎鈎把 How we use 把 First, 把 as a measure word. For the things with handle, so umbrella have a handle, so we can say 一把雨傘 And the second meaning, 把 is famous about 把 sentence. Every student, when you learn 把 sentence, you will feel crazy. So now for Sunny, we'll have some easy way to learn 把 sentence. Before we learn 把 sentence, we just remember this one. A, 把, B, plus verb and others. Remember this formula first. 把. Then we see 把 sentence have two meanings. First one is about the result and the influence of the action. So let's come back to see it here. A 把 B plus verb plus what? Result. For example, English sentence, I ate an apple. I ate an apple. In Chinese, how we say it? If we follow the common order, is subject, verb, object. So we say, 我吃了蘋果 Subject, verb, object. 我吃了蘋果 But if we want to use 把 sentence, we will put subject, 把 object 加上 verb. So we say what? 我把 What is the object? Can you tell me in this sentence what is the object? Yes, 蘋果我把蘋果怎麼了？吃了So 吃了 is the result of this. 吃了 is a result of the apple, right? So we know this one. Subject, 把 object plus a verb. So here we need to know who did this action. Subject. And also we need to know subject and object. Both speaker and the listener knows what I talking about. So we cannot say 我把一個蘋果吃了 because I don't know what apple you mean. But I say this apple. 我把這個蘋果吃了 Or directly say 我把蘋果吃了 because you know what 蘋果I talking about. I know what 蘋果I talking about. Okay, this is the first meaning. And the second meaning is the action makes something change. So, okay, the second meaning of 把 sentence is the action makes something change. So we say, remember this one. A 把 B plus verb, and then we add 在到在 and 到加上 location, so it means location change. A 把 B verb plus 在 or 到 and the location, it means this action make location change. So whose location? A's location or B's location? Yes, it's B's location. So for example, we say 我把書 book put 在桌上 I put the book on the table. 我把書放在桌上。我把書放在桌上。So before I say the sentence, where's the shoe? It's on the table or not? Of course, it's not on table. So after I did put this action, shoe's location changed from I don't know where to the table. 我把書放在桌上。A 把 B plus word 在 or 到 plus location. So pay attention. A did this action. B's location changed. Okay, and next one is A 把 B plus word. And we add 給 we learned this word before. 加上 somebody. Somebody. 給. So this sentence means what? The owner of B is changed. For example, also 我把書給你。I give the book to you. Before I do 給 give this action, can you tell me where is the book? It's on me. Book's on me. Now 我把書給你. So now you are the owner of the book. 我把書給你. So this is about a 把 sentence. So we need to remember the important sentence. A 把 B plus word plus others. So A is the subject and the B is the object. A 把 B plus word. Okay, this is all about the 把 sentence about 把. Did you got it? If you liked this video, please like and share to your friends. If you have any question, don't hesitate to ask me in the comments. 如果你有任何問題，請在下方評論區提問。See you next time. Bye bye.